Welcome back! Today is a very special day, because I got to collaborate with one of my favorite artists out there, the one and only Dollumentary. We wanted to collaborate again for a while now, and finally the day has come. The first idea for our collab was avant-garde fashion, but after watching each other's concepts we went for a leather and lace theme. I created a character named Camille. I wanted to give her some kind of a drag makeup, so I'm going to start by creating a sharp smoky eye, using a piece of tape and black pastel. And once I was happy with it, I removed the tape to reveal this amazing wing tie. For this girl, I'm going a little heavy with the contouring. And when it's done, I'll start with the face-up. Cleo's eyes mold is kind of small, so I'm going to use the drag method of painting with white where I want her lower lash to be. With red pencil, I am going to give her some bigger lips, which I'll paint with acrylics later. I really want her eyebrows to be really high and snatched. With white pencil, I highlight the brow bone and then darken the lines with black pencil. For the iris, I'm going with my typical blue eyes. And some color with red to the lids and lower lash line. I filled the sclera with white acrylics, and with a darker brown I'm making an ombre to her eyebrows. And also marking some hair strokes. Using purple color pastels, I'm filling her lids. And to finish her lips, I'm also creating an ombre with black pencil and the corners with plum to create a gradient. And now with blue paint, I'm going to add some shine to the iris. Now it's time for some sparkle. Using Elmer's glue, I am going to use 3 different glitter colors. White for the brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes. Purple for the lids. And black for the wing liner. To finish the face, some big lashes on top. And for the very first time, I'm adding also some bottom lashes. They are very large, so I'll need to trim them. Okay, now it's time for the costume. I'm going to make her a leather headpiece, but I actually did this step first, so I wouldn't ruin the face up. I'm covering the doll's face with tape. And then marking the lines to define the form of the mask. I'm cutting the headpiece with an X-Acto knife, but I must be really careful not to ruin the doll's head. And I ended up with this pattern. But it's too curvy, so I need to create some cuts for it to stay flat. I'm folding the fabric in half and I'll put the pattern just on the border so when I cut it, I'll have a complete headpiece. Then I'm going to sew everything by hand. And there we have our head mask. Now I'm making her a bodysuit with this embroidered lace, but as I want it to be skin tight, I'm going to stitch it directly on the doll. This took me literally 3 hours, because I needed to pin everything on the doll, and the thread kept tangling on the pins. And after all that work, she looked fabulous with her lace body. Now I'm making her a cape but with sleeves. I'm using the same method of the Katrina semi-circular skirt to cut the cloak. And after adding the sleeves, I ended up with this. Now it's time to put her mask. I also made this hat with black leather. For the shoes, I'm using some basic pumps and glue some rhinestones. Then I'm painting the shoes black and dry brushing some golden paint. And to finish them, I'll paint the rhinestones completely golden. To finish everything, I'm gluing some synthetic hair wefts in 2 colors onto a toothpick. And I'll glue that to the doll's head. And we're done. Christina's doll look absolutely beautiful, and I cannot express how much I love working with her. And we can't deny, those dolls look extremely fierce. Go and watch her video, I'll list her channel on the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and click the bell to get notified every time I upload. Hope to see you on the next time. Bye!